Kikhubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nika app na ka Play Store.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingsiyo ka barit but pila ban legu ban kuli da ka education loan, pila ruban syukola ho number, kandai nyo saw san riu pranot, lani kandai pran riu laisan, arn riwe kandai pra.
Ubak prestun tun song uloong bak sarkar ke dan bang baha bak dan ke Jaka jang veterinary ha apa Shillong ke bahe hadu ndropo ekar banna kan ni khalai Hajar square foot on ai banchna ya ke petrol pom ke ba on pen rea na Anjali ubak prestun uloong bak khalai square foot ke de ke bak khandiat hikmat ke te ndropo ekar ulai thu bak daw bahaban pen rea ke de namar ke sarkar ke dan jitmu bante de flyover hagi benta badan ke petrol pom menta. Halo ke jing persya kiseng bahalang, uloong balada day kiseng bahalang ne ginu-ginuru, yem day tan bantuklar, bat bak sarkar kan lek katung ke jing start Jaka. Shushu uloong balada kate ke Jaka bayang ke petrol pom kadang kumbas saw Hajar nesan Hajar square foot, ka aji mentoy ki pajba. Anpang no le yupat, ke khalai Hajar square foot ban ai bujli.
I think be it NGO, be it anybody, leave it to the wisdom of the government. Number one, don't you think that the petrol pump Anjali is more important than anything else? And we have seen, and people suffered a lot with the entire stretch of Umshirpi up to 7 Mile, up to Banyon side, where it takes from 7 Mile to Shillong to reach 2 hours, 2.5 hours, 3 hours. So in fact the government has taken a very, very judicious decision and with due diligence requesting even this petrol pump owner that please shift it because the flyover, the landing of flyover will be somewhere that side only, and if you don't get that portion of this petrol pump, it's very difficult for the alignment and the construction of the flyover in that particular. So therefore, ultimately, government has decided, okay, we will identify about 12 or 13,000 square feet of land where they can set up this shifted petrol pump towards Upper Shillong side. And we are so lucky because we have enough space of land from veterinary department, not less than 60 acres of land and 13,000 square feet. In fact, it's nothing. Even from the government side, central government, we take land acquisition from the private. So what is the harm? Whether government land or private land, I think that issue does not arise. And number two, more importantly, we need to understand Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya, and that portion, if 5,000 or 4,000 square feet of that plot can serve the entire state of Meghalaya, where is that pain of 13,000 square feet replacing that very important area outside the Shillong city and especially outside the proposed flyover to be constructed by NHITC. Don't ask me this question, you leave it to us how we're going to deal with it. Okay.